So when flipping a house, there are four big things you have to consider. Number one, what do you pay for the property in terms of how do you buy the property? How much do you pay for the property? Number two is how much to rehab. A lot of times people will take on projects that are way too big for their experience and for their capabilities, and the rehabs go over budget. Number three is what you're going to sell the property for, meaning you thought you were going to sell the property for $500,000, it ends up selling only for $460,000. So basically, they priced the property incorrectly on the back end, meaning they paid for too much for the property, and now they have to sell it for more. Number four, which is the one that most people don't think about, is the amount of time it takes. See, the longer the property sits on the market or the longer it takes you to get the rehab done, every single month that property is costing you time and money. Time factor is one of those things most people don't even think about. So remember, it's four things. Number one, the price you pay, purchase. Number two is the rehab. Number three is what you sell the property for. And number four is the time.